Hello friends, today we will learn A to Z and some numbers. Now we will color. Orange color. A. A for alligator. A for alligator. Blue color. B. B for ball. B for ball. Light green color. C. C for cat. C for cat. Yellow color. D. D for duck. D for duck. Red color. E. E for egg. E for egg. Orange color. F. F for flower. F for flower. Blue color. G. G for girl. G for girl. Light green color. H. H for horse. H for horse. Yellow color. I. I for igloo. I for igloo. Red color. J. J for jam. J for jam. Orange color. K. K for key. K for key. Blue color. L. L for leaf. L for leaf. Light green color. M. M for monkey. M for monkey. Yellow color. N. N for nurse. N for nurse. Red color. O. O for orange. O for orange. Orange color. P. P for panda. P for panda. Blue color. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Light green color. R. R for rose. R for rose. Yellow color. S is for sun. S for sun. Red color. T. T for tree. T for tree. Orange color. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Blue color. V. V for vegetable. V for vegetable. Light green color. W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. Yellow color. X. X for X-ray fish. X for X-ray fish. Red color. Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Orange color. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Blue color. Number 1. Light green color. 2. Yellow color. 3. Red color. 4. Orange color. 5. Blue color. 6. Light green color. 7. Yellow color. 8. Red color. 9. Orange color. 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.